At the age of 18, John James Audubon left his home in France and sailed for America. As an artist, he became fascinated with the birds of North America, telling a friend, "There are so many wonderful colors, so many amazing patterns. I would like to paint them all." In the early 1800s, he was determined to illustrate all the birds of North America, but his journey had many setbacks. Once, after returning from a long trip, he discovered that rats had eaten his entire collection of over 200 drawings. After weeks of depression, Audubon took to the field again, determined to redo the drawings he'd lost and to add new ones. But his most serious setback occurred during the Panic of 1819.